Good morning. So today's Memorial Day. My family and I, we are going to Honeymoon Island. No, it's not a place where you go for your honeymoon. I'm going to take some videos so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's a really awesome place. And before I go into my video, I wanted to tell everyone who has served, has family who have served, thank you. Thank you for your service. And speaking of, you know, it was really funny. Just let me tell you this story. The other day, I'm at the gas station. I get out of the car, and there's a police officer next to me, and I looked at him, and I just said, "Thank you for your service, officer." And he looked like a deer in the headlights, and I was like, kind of put off a little bit, you know. He said, thank you so much," and I turned around, I went to go walk into the gas station, and I hear him say, "You know, thank you, that really meant a lot to me." And I turned around, I said, "You're very welcome." He says, "I hope you have a wonderful day." And I'm thinking to myself, I wonder if anybody ever said thank you to this man. You know, thank you for putting your life on the line every day, as our service men and women do. I really don't think anybody ever thanked him before, and it was kind of sad, you know. But anyway, so today, you know, if you see somebody who served, you have family who's, just thank them. Take a moment and thank them. It takes 2 seconds of your time, like really. And yeah, so today I have off on a Monday, which is unheard of. So we're gonna go play at the beach at Honeymoon Island. Okay, so let's get into this. I'm gonna have to move the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see, but I have a lot of new growth here, and it's kind of a mess, so I thought it would be a really good time to do some root maintenance and to show you guys how I do it. So get ready, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
So I just went through a whole voiceover, and now I have to do it all over again because I forgot to hit record. So let's try this again. We're going to go ahead and just take that loose hair right there. You really can't see it that well. Probably should have gotten better lighting, but you'll get the gist of it once we start going. All this loose hair in there that drives me crazy. It drives me up a wall. I'm going to take care of that now. So my handy dandy crochet hook, I get the smallest one that they have that I can find. I'll put a link for those below so you know what size they are. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just like knotting it up at the root is what I'm doing. It makes it a little bit easier to work with. It kind of gets those loose hairs wrapped up a little bit, and then I go in the other direction. So I go in both directions. I do that, and it makes it a nice little knot, makes it easier to work with because my hair is so fine. Not fine like sexy, just fine like thin. Okay, so you put your crochet hook through, and then you're just going to go ahead and pull it through the other side as you pinch, just to hold the hair in place. Put it through and pull. And you just keep doing that until you have gotten all of those loose hairs and it becomes more like a dreadlock on top rather than just a bunch of like thinness. Because you'll notice that your roots it'll get thin there. So you want to go ahead and thicken that up. Twisting. Twist and turn and through. That's a really good method to use too. It's basically turning the hair, the loose hair, twisting it inside your lock, so it makes it hold a little bit better if you do it that way too. Oh, got stuck there. Didn't need that hair. And then I turn it and go to the other side and palm roll. Yay, palm roll. And as you'll see, it tightened it up a little bit on the top, which is exactly what we wanted. Now I find, yay, more loose hair. Look at that, how pretty. We're going to take care of that. So, crochet hook come into play again. We love our crochet hook. Take the hair, pull it through your dreadlock. It's really, really pretty simple once you get the hang of it. I hate this. That. Better one. Let's go. I've got like 15 of these. Pull it through. You got to turn it around. Eventually you're going to turn it around the other side so that the loose hair that went through that one side, you're going to pull it through the other. So you're just going to basically flip like that, and then you're going to pull it through the other side. Yes, it will get stuck. Awkward moment of silence. That's another one that I wanted to show you guys. I go up with it as well. You don't just go through, you can also go up. It just distributes the hair into different parts of your dreadlock. If you do that, you could pull it up, you could pull it down, you could pull it straight across. It just knots it up better inside. And then the palm roll. And ta-da! Looks pretty good to me. Good enough. And that's it. Easy peasy, simple as pie. There you go. Yay!
Okay, so hopefully that helped you guys. I had a video out that was like, it was horrible, horrible quality. So I did tell you guys I was going to be redoing those. I'm going to be doing another one on how to add dreadlock extensions to your hair, because I will be making and selling my dreadlock extensions, my crocheted dreadlock extensions. So keep an eye out at Chrissy Dreadlocks for those. If you have the day off, enjoy. If you have served, thank you for your service. And that's it. Ta-ta!